Behind us, we got a live look in Washington, D.C. This is the White House, but just down the street at the Capitol, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. faced some tough questions as he looks to secure the nomination as the next Director of Health and Human Services.
As national correspondent Matt Gelka tells us, Kennedy tried to downplay his most controversial statements and tout his Make America Healthy Again philosophy.
We have massive health problems in this country that we must face honestly.
Robert F. Kennedy Jr. looked to address and distance himself from one of the controversies he's most known for, his vaccine skepticism, as he seeks confirmation to be Health and Human Services Secretary.
I support the measles vaccine. I support the polio vaccine. I will do nothing as HHS Secretary that makes it difficult or discourages people from taking either of those
Anybody
vaccines.
who believes that ought to look at the measles book you wrote saying parents have been misled into believing that measles is a deadly disease. That's not true.
Democrats looking to block RFK Jr.'s nomination seized on the prior vaccine comments. Kennedy's stances as a pro-life Democrat himself were also brought up, a potentially thorny issue for Republicans.
In 2023, you came to New Hampshire and said, quote, I'm pro-choice. I don't think the government has any business telling people what they can or cannot do with their body.
Senator, I agree with President Trump that every abortion is a tragedy, that we can't be a moral authority in this country.
Right.
Supporters have embraced RFK Jr.'s vows to shake up the healthcare system as he's pledged to fight against chronic disease and ultra-processed foods. The Independent Medical Alliance, made up of a group of doctors and healthcare professionals, have launched the campaign supporting Kennedy's nomination.
What he really cares about is trying to solve the problems that are causing America not be competitive as a nation. And, again, stats that are kind of crazy. We're 4% of the population, and we take 55% of the drugs that are actually produced in the world. The fact that 6 out of 10 Americans have a chronic condition.
Kennedy's hearing likely kicks off a string of contentious ones on Capitol Hill. He'll have another round on Thursday, along with Trump's pick to be the next Director of National Intelligence, Tulsi Gabbard, and his pick to lead the FBI, Kash Patel. Reporting in Washington, I'm Matt Gelka.